Are we live? Welcome to the session, everybody. How is everyone doing? Let me go to the live chat here and see how many of you are here. Just give me a moment. Let me refresh. So how is everybody doing? All good? All good? Welcome to the class. Hi Chitra. Hi Reena. Hi Deeksha. Hi Lakshita. Okay, it's not Reena, it's Lakshita. And let me once just go to the chat here. Yup. So here we go. बड़े दिनों बाद मिले, हमने मिस किया आपको, हमने भी बहुत ही मिस किया आपको. So welcome to the session. Welcome back to yet another amazing session. Hi Kanika, I definitely remember you. Hi Jivita. Hi Namita. Hi Krishna. Hi Muskan. Hi Divyanshi. You're new. Welcome to the session. Welcome to the channel. I hope you will have a blast of a day in this channel. And hi Brinda, hi Shravya, hi Kavya, hi Nishita, missed you too. So yes, long time no see, but yes, we are back here. And today we are going to do one short revision of your entire chapter of Visualizing Solid Shapes. One of the most easy peasy pizza cheesy chapter, right? So welcome to the session, OP Studio with OP teacher and OP students. Yes, OP Max Ultra Pro hai ye. So hi Vaibhav, hi Dikshank. I am new. Welcome to the session, everybody who is new. Hi Shravika. And yes, welcome to yet another wonderful session with your very own master teacher, Haripriya mam, and on your very own amazing channel, Vedantu Young Wonders. So yes, I remember most of you, and so please don't say. And yes, welcome to my virtual classroom, as you can see, with this board, with me, with this pen and all of these things. So स्कूल में चैप्टर कर दिया, बहुत ही सही. इस पे आप रिविजन करेंगे, ठीक है? So to everybody who is new, I'm going to quickly just give me one moment. Yeah, so I'm going to quickly give an introduction about myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. In 4 years of my teaching experience, I have mentored and tutored thousands of beautiful students like you and helped a lot of them score 100 upon 100 in their maths exam. As you can see, I've done my masters in mathematics, so you know the love I have towards this subject, and I want to imbibe the same kind of love in each and every person watching this session right now. And do we have Surabhi? I'm not Surabhi ma'am, but is she there in the chat? Oh, Surabhi ma'am is there. Hi Surabhi ma'am. Hi Netra, welcome to the session. I hope all of you are having a blast of a time. Yes, Surabhi ma'am is also here. She is here to take a revision. She's going to do Menti also. Let's see if she's going to win. And thank you Surabhi ma'am, and throwing this back at you. Chalo. So let us get started here. And now I'm tensed. Now I'm tensed because Surabhi ma'am is also watching. Now I'm tensed. I don't know what to say next. Okay, so you can also follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu. You can get a sneak peek into your favorite master teacher's life. You can follow many master teachers on Instagram platforms. So yes, what is stopping you? Come follow us right now. So let us get started. But with that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I have seen a lot of you telling, ma'am, I'm new to this channel. So if you're new to the channel, be a part of the family by hitting the subscribe button, the red button that you can see. Hit on that button, hit on the bell icon, because whenever any of us come live, you will be notified. Aapke phone ka ghanti bhi baj jayega. So you will be notified that so and so teacher is live, community post, jo bhi hoga, you will be notified every time. And do not forget to like the video and share the video. Maybe this video can help a lot of others who are not able to have access to schools, right? So yes, let us get started. Hi Geeta. Surabhi ma'am aa gayi. Ab sare bacche Haripriya ma'am ko bhool gaye. I is the hurt. I is the hurt. Chalo. So let us get started with the session with a Super Kids Reward Batches, a level up motivation. तो मैंने इसको एक नया नाम दिया है, and I'm going to call it the award ceremony, where I'm going to give you award from the top position In the last class, we had Vaibhav Rohila on top of the leaderboard. And in the last place, we had Madhu. So welcome to the award ceremony, everybody. And we have two winners here. The first place, we have Vaibhav. I don't know if Vaibhav is there in the class. He's usually there. I guess he's there now also. And then we have the last place goes to Madhu. So this is a special kind of award ceremony where we also acknowledge people who have come at the last of the leaderboard and everybody in the middle also for putting on so many good efforts, right? So yes, Vaibhav is here. And chalo. Are you still there in the session? Sudbi ma'am, are you still there in the session? I doubt it. हर्ट मत हो, हम नहीं भूले आपको. Okay, Anshika, okay. So yes, homework superstars are back. So first of all, we have Anshika Rai with yet another very interesting, doubt and also answer to the homework question. So doubt था, आप इतने प्यारे क्यों हो? आंसर कर देना, पेपर में आएगा मेरे. कौन सा पेपर है ये जो आपको ये क्वेश्चन, ये सवाल पूछ रहा है? Who is that? Who is that? Who is it that who is preparing the question? And then we had Vaibhav, who was super duper honest and told ki, ma'am, I really didn't know the meaning of an isohedron, so I have Googled. It's okay, but now you know, so that's what matters, right? And then we had Charvi Agarwal, who gave the correct answer. Then we have Rishita Gupta, जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा comment लिखा. And यस, थैंक यू सो मच. आपने हमारा दिल क्यों चुराया? मुझे चीजें चुराने में बहुत मजा आता है, तो मैंने आपका दिल भी चुरा लिया, ठीक है? एंड देन वी हैड VVS Shravali, who is Shridhinesh, who have given the correct answer. Then we have Devyanshi, who gave the correct answer. Congratulations, everybody, and thank you so much for putting on so much efforts. And we have Deeksha, Prem, and Avinash, who gave the correct answer. Avinash is Anusha Madhu. So thank you so much. These are the top 10 homework superstars who have put extra efforts and have written the entire answer completely and gave the correct answer, right? So let us get started then. Without any further wasting of time, we're going to revise the entire chapter of Visualizing Solid Shapes. And guys, listen up. This one session will help you understand every concept that is important. We're going to stress on all the concepts that are important and will definitely come in your exam. Menti maybe I've put so many questions which might come in your exams as well. So stay tuned for Menti. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. And first let's quickly recall the basic concepts with example. What are the basic concepts जो हम शायद से क्या 4th या 5th क्लास से पढ़ते हुए आए हैं? The first one is the two-dimensional shapes. What is a 2D shape? A two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat surface, flat plane figure where figure or shape which has only two dimensions. What are the two dimensions? It can be length and width, it can be length and height, it can be anything, but it is only measured using two dimensions. So that is why we call it as a 2D shape. Few of the examples are kite, clock, the regular mathematical symbols that we use, a circle, a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a pentagon, hexagon. Any kind of a polygon is an example of a 2D shape. And then we have three-dimensional shape, also known as 3D shape. So when you look around you, इस स्टूडियो में जहाँ पे मैं खड़ी हूँ, the pen that I'm holding, the remote that I'm holding, the camera that is shooting me, the TV that is in front of me, the lights, the board, all of them, the chair, everything is three-dimensional. What is the definition? A three-dimensional shape can be defined as a solid figure. It's not a plain figure, it's a solid figure where it occupies some space wherever you put it. So a solid figure or an object or a shape that has three dimensions. So when we measure anything of that three dimensions, we take three dimensions into consideration. What is that? Length, breadth, and height. breadth, width एक ही है, so do not get confused. So the water bottle, the phone that you're using, you yourself are a three-dimensional shape because you occupy space. ऐसे नहीं कि आप हवा में उड़ रहे हो, है ना? You occupy space wherever you're standing. I'm occupying the space here. If I sit on a chair, I'm occupying space there. So we all are three-dimensional shapes. So let's take an example, a few examples here. The soda that you drink, Coke, Pepsi, Mirinda, Fanta, Fruity, जो भी है, ठीक है? The dice that you play your Ludo with, the deck of cards, the box of the deck of cards is 3D, and all these shapes that we have already seen. A prism, a triangular prism, a hexagonal prism, sphere, the ball, a cylinder, then we have a cube, cuboid, everything and anything, right? And most importantly, our very own Earth. The entire planet, the system we have, Mercury, Venus, जो भी है, all of them are 3 dimensions because we take 3 dimensions into consideration when we measure the mass or when we measure the volume and so on. वो हम सीखेंगे next chapter में, what is volume, how to calculate volume, all of that we will be starting off tomorrow at 9 PM. We're going to start the next chapter, mensuration, we will be learning there. ठीक है, तो आ जाना. Next, when you look at a 3D shape, तो आप मुझे ऐसे सीधा देख रहे हो, so I look like this, है ना? So if you look at me from the side view, I look different. From back I look different, from top I look different, from left I look different, है ना? So in this, there are a lot of views, correct? But we have segregated them into 3 views. What are they? The first one is the top view, where we look at a 3D object from the top. Then we have the front view, where we look at the 3D object from the front. And then we have the side view. These are the 3 kinds of views that we have for any 3-dimensional shape. Now closely look at this one here. As you can see from the top, let's look at it from the top here. When you look at this block from the top, you can only see the red blocks. This would be your top view. When you look at it from the front, यहाँ से जब आप देखोगे, तो you will only look at these blue tiles here. है ना? This is your front view. You can't see the red tiles when you're seeing it from the front. And then you have the side view, where you will be looking at these yellow blocks. This would be the side view. Again, when you're looking from the side, you can't see this one. So if you're looking at me from the side, you can see my left ear, correct? You can't see my right ear or my right hand. है ना? वैसे ही, you can only see few particular things whenever you're looking from top, side or front. Got it? Now, so these are the views that we have for a 3D shape. Top से आपको ये बस L shape दिखेगा because 1, 2, 3 and 4, L shape. Then we have front view, 1, 2, 3, 4 blue boxes. And then we have a side view, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, right? So these would be the views of any 3D shapes. And then the questions that will definitely come from this chapter is under this topic, which is called as polyhedrons. So you have already heard about what is a polygon. So you tell me in the chat box ki what is a polygon? What is a polygon, guys? Special class mat liya karo. मैंने कब लिया special class? Unfortunately, there is school now. Can we please think about changing time? Riya, we have already changed a lot of time. है ना? So we will stick to this one, or we can do 4 to 5. We will think. Okay. Any closed consisting of a set of line segments, that is a polygon. So a 3D version of a polygon is called as a polyhedron. So a polyhedron is a 3-dimensional object composed of finite number of polygons as its surfaces, as it face. As you can see this one, you have faces, you have vertices, you have edges. It is a polyhedron because all the faces are made up of polygons. Even when you look at this one here, it is a polyhedron. Why? Because all its faces are made up of polygons, right? And Bicky Dubey, can you please go out of the class if you're so angry? Henna, please don't disturb. Please, please, please. Okay. So triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, all of these are the examples, right? थी कल और उसमें interaction नहीं होता. अंशिका वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, ठीक है? I can really not do anything with the non-interactive micro courses, but there are plenty of live interactive micro courses, so don't worry. ठीक है? ठीक है? चलो. Now let's look at the different types of polyhedrons that we have. We have segregated them into concave and convex, and regular and irregular. So first let's talk about the most important part. What are convex polyhedrons and what are concave polyhedrons? Talking about the first one, we will talk about the convex polyhedrons. So when you closely look at them, so I am going to show something very important here. How do you segregate between what are concave and what are convex? So in this convex polyhedron, you take two non-collinear points. Two collinear points on the same surface. You can join them with the help of a straight line. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे जब आप लोगे, you can join them with the help of a straight line. है ना? So in a convex polyhedron, the line segment joining any two points, the line segment joining the any two points on the surface of the polyhedron lies entirely on the surface, inside the polyhedron. Now, does it even lie outside? That's the case when we talk about the convex polyhedron, the concave polyhedron. The convex mein, you take any two points on the surface. When you try to join them using a straight line, they lie inside the polyhedron only on the surface, right? But when we talk about concave polyhedrons, those polyhedrons, some of those where the plane surfaces, for example, let's have a look here. ठीक है? तो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. If I want to join this point here and this point here. So when I try to join them using a straight line, the line is lying outside the image. It's lying outside the polyhedron, outside the solid. In that case, we call it a concave polyhedron. This is one way. Another way here is where a concave polyhedrons, not polygons, polyhedrons have at least one interior angle greater than 180. At least one. मतलब एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. But as you can see here, this is an angle which is greater than 180. This is the angle which is greater than 180. This is the angle which is greater than 180. So there are at least one angle here which is greater than 180. And that's when you know that it is a concave polyhedron, right? So we have convex and then we have concave. And then we have regular and irregular. So regular mein kya hai? The first thing is every face of the polyhedron is a regular polygon. What are the criteria of a regular polygon, guys? What are the criteria of the regular polygon? Hi, Kripa. Expansion formula kiya hai, okay. All sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Exactly. All sides are equal or angles are also equal. That is the first criteria of a regular polygon. So the first criteria of a regular polyhedron is जो भी उसके faces है, all of them are made up of regular polygons and same number of faces meet at each vertex. So what do I mean by that? I'll show you with an example. And the third one is it has symmetry. So now let's look at the regular polyhedrons here. So when you look at the regular polyhedrons, which is this, now let us only talk about the vertices here. Okay. So how are these vertices formed? There is one line here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 edges are coming together. Basically 5 faces are coming together and forming the vertex. है ना? So here also we have 1, 2, 3. Here also we have 1, 2, 3. You take this vertex here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this particular regular polyhedron, every vertex is formed by joining the same number of faces, which is 5. But जब आप irregular polyhedron पे आप देखते हो, तो we have one vertex here which is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 faces. But here it is made up of 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 faces, right? So that is the major difference between a regular and an irregular polyhedron. The first one, each face of the polyhedron is irregular polygon, where the sides are not equal to each other and angles are not equal to each other. And different number of faces combine at the vertex. Okay, so how is the vertex formed? By combining different number of faces. Few vertices are formed by 4 faces combining together. Few vertices are formed by 3 faces combined together. But regular mein, it's the same number and it has no symmetry. So as you can see, this vertex here, let me change the okay, let's take blue here. So this vertex here is formed by joining 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically 4 faces together. But here as you can see, it is joining 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 faces together. So this is the speciality of an irregular polyhedron. Regular polyhedron is just opposite to this, where you can find symmetry, where you can find regular polygons, and the vertices are made up of same number of faces, right? That's it. So that is the major difference between regular and irregular. Cool? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hi, Saurabh. Okay, it's Saurabh. Gotcha? Awesome. And okay, no doubts. ये तो बहुत easy peasy चीज ही है. गिर गया, कहाँ से गिर गया बच्चा? It's still there. अगर ये स्मार्ट बोर्ड गिर गया तो मैं भी गिर गई फिर, है ना? चलो, let's move into the elements of a polyhedron. So क्या elements है? Polyhedron तो 3D है. तो what do we have? We have faces, we have edges, and we have vertices. Faces are nothing but the entire surface, है ना? As you can see, this entire surface is called as a face. तो जब आप एक phone लेते हो, when you see the phone here, this entire surface is called as a face. ये पूरा screen जो है, it is a face, right? What are edges? Edges are nothing but these line segments. These line segments are called as edges, right? How are faces formed? Using line segments. You join the line segments together, you get a face. And how are vertices formed? The point of intersection of edges, you form vertices. So 3 elements are there: faces, edges and vertices. But now why are we doing this? Because polyhedrons have a special property that they follow, which is called as the Eulers Formula, which says F plus V minus E is equal to 2. So force plus velocity minus elasticity is 2. What is F, V and E? Force, velocity and elasticity? Yes or no? No? Yes? What is F, V and E? Faces, edges and vertices. Exactly. It's not force, elasticity and velocity. No, it's faces, edges and vertices. So for any polyhedron, if you add the faces and vertices together and subtract the number of edges from it, you should be getting 2. Always. If you are not getting a 2, then it is not a polyhedron. But if you are getting a 2, then it is a polyhedron. So if your doubt is, ma'am, how do we know if a particular shape is a polyhedron or not? This is the formula which will tell you if it is a polyhedron or not. If the faces plus vertices minus edges is 2, then yes, it is a polyhedron. Agar nahi ho raha hai, to it is not a polyhedron. So let us take an example of a cube. Let's check this Euler's formula for cube and a decahedron. So what is a cube? It is a 3D version of a square, है ना? Number of vertices are 8, faces are 6, edges are 12. So first, what do we do? The left hand side. F plus V minus E is equal to 2. So faces plus vertices minus edges. You are getting a 2. Can I say that a cube is a polyhedron or not? Come on, you tell me. Can I say that the cube is a polyhedron or not? Yes? Exactly. Yes, it is a polyhedron. Similarly, we have a dodecahedron which has 12 faces and 20 vertices and 30 edges. So again, when you use the Eulers formula, which is F plus V minus E, it can be V plus F minus E also. The entire idea is you should be getting 2. So vertices plus faces minus edges, it needs to be 2. It is 2. So what can we say here? Since Euler's formula is applicable, since these, the particular polyhedron ke faces, edges and vertices are satisfying the Euler's formula, we can say that they are polyhedrons. That's it. Over. Khatam. Right? So let us move on to Menti. Please explain again what? Kya? What should I explain again? So guys, okay, let me explain this Euler's formula again. Euler's formula kuch nahi hai. Faces plus vertices minus edges of any polyhedron has to be equal to 2. अगर वो 2 नहीं हुआ तो वो polyhedron नहीं है. अगर वो 2 हुआ तो it is a polyhedron. That's it. Yeah? Okay, got it? Now, Brinda Bacha, it is 8 plus, we have number of edges is 12. I'm so sorry, it's not 2, it is 12 here. Okay? Now it's fine. It's not 2, it's 12. Cool? Chalo, let us do the most awaited thing, Menti. But before we go on to Menti, I have an amazing news for all of you. So Vedantu's Pro Live Foundation courses are back for grade 8th, 9th and 10th, whoever aspire to become a doctor or an engineer. So if you are an aspirant of JEE or NEET, this is for you. So if you want to become a doctor or an engineer, aisa nahi hai ki these are the only 2 professions available. There are plenty. There is an illustrator, there is a photographer, model, actress, jo banna hai bano. But Vedantu mein, we get to train for you to become a doctor or an engineer. So agar aapko ye banna hai, तो this is the course for you. Now, what does this course, what does this help you? How does this help you? So first thing is deep understanding of concepts, which is super duper important whenever it comes to any high competitive level examinations like JEE and NEET. Then continuous doubt solving, engaging and interactive learning. अगर आप बस recorded classes देखते जाओगे तो interaction कैसे होगा, है ना? YouTube पे थोड़ा interaction कम होता है because there's so many students and your chat tends to miss. But हमारे जो live classes में ऐसे नहीं है. The interaction will be there when it is a live class. Then efficient time management, regular practice and strong hold on foundation topics. This is very important. Right? So now you can increase your chance of getting qualified into JEE and NEET with Vedantu with our brand new foundation courses. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? So first, engaging and interaction based learning with your favorite master teachers. Then subjects covered are maths, physics, chemistry, biology, mental ability and SST. But remember, SST is only for grade 10th, not for 8th and 9th. ठीक है? Then we have advanced level practice questions with unlimited in the class doubt solving, which is one of the most amazing features of Vedantu. So we don't only have a master teacher, we also have doubt experts who are sitting in the class helping you to clarify your doubts. After the session also, since you have taken the pro subscription with this, you will be eligible to click your doubt and post it on the Vedantu app. So uninstall all your doubts by installing the Vedantu app. right? So you'll be getting free NTSE preparation, regular test and assignments, and chapter-wise notes curated by the expert. जो भी session में हम पढ़ रहे हैं, जो slides we are doing, you will be getting all of them for free. You can just download in the form of a PDF. And competitive exam strategy, methods, tips and tricks for effective time management, everything. So everything under one roof. Along with that, you are also getting a promise, which is the Vedantu Improvement Promise. जहाँ पे पढ़ाई में improvement is guaranteed. If not, all your course fee will be given back to you. No questions asked. But that is only when you choose for one entire year. ठीक है? So why choose Vedantu for JEE NEET? Because Vedantu is a global leader of online teaching with a specialty focused approach for JEE and NEET aspirants, because our results speak for itself, right? So we have got amazing results in JEE Mains and Advanced. You can Google it, you can talk about it, you can see it online. So har ghar pe Vedantu, right? So here we talk about the Vedantu's Pro Life Foundation course for 8th, 9th and 10th. I've already told you what all you will be getting. What are the things that we at Vedantu will be helping you out with? Test, assignments, notes, advanced level mock tests, doubt solving during and after the class. Test baby, we will assess what are the topics that you have made mistake on, what are your weaknesses and how to make that your strength. We have VIP promise and a lot of things like that, right? So you can see here, unstoppable. Look at the JEE main ke ranks here. 100 percentile mein we have so many students, physics, chemistry and maths. You can see all of them on Google. You can talk about it. You can see it on your own, right? So all you have to do here is click on the link in the description box. It is also pinned in the comment box right now. You can click on 1 year JEE/NEET foundation. Use the coupon code YHPRO to get an additional discount. There's a lightning deal happening. Click on that link in the description box right now and use the coupon code YHPRO, right? So guys, कहाँ पे? Why देरी किस बात की? It is for 28,000, but when you apply the coupon code YHPRO, the price drops down. You can also try it for 1 month and see how you are able to get along well with the online classes, the setup, the teachers, the entire procedure, and then take it for 1 year. So try it out for 1 month. You can use the same coupon code YHPRO. So there are different kinds. There's Pro Lite, Pro Classic and Pro Plus. प्रो लाइट में जो भी मैंने बताया है आपको सब मिल जाएगा. डाउट सॉल्विंग, असाइनमेंट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज, एनालिसिस एंड लाइव इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस. If you want to post your doubts regularly after the class also, then there will be classic subscription where there is doubt solving on the mobile app, the Vedantu's online learning app. And then we have Pro Plus where you will also have a personal mentor who will be helping you out with everything, anything. Schedule aapka, how to prepare one-on-one doubt sessions, everything will be taken care of your genie who will be your personal mentor. So try it out for 1 month and see how it goes, and then you can carry on for the entire year. But do not forget to apply the coupon code if you want discount. Everybody loves discount. Come on, right? So yes, apply the coupon code here, YHPRO. So basically, when you're taking any subscription of Vedantu, be it CBSE, ICSE, Maharashtra Board Foundation, kuch bhi ho, Olympiads, kuch bhi ho, you're basically not paying what you're paying, because you will be having unlimited micro courses. So what are micro courses? They are chutku mutku courses, the tiny courses, chapter specific courses where you can join any of your master teachers ka class and take up the topic again live. Right? So that is a speciality. We have pro exclusive micro courses only for students who have taken up pro subscription. So let us move on to Menti. The code is 777-68289. 777-777-67289. Come on. Come and battle of brains. Guys, she has a lot of work to do. I would not want to do that. Hi Kirtana, I remember you, bacha. Do you play chess? Yes, I play chess. And let's move on. Let's move on to Menti. Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready for the battle of the brains? Come on guys, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, hit the like button right now. I can see 106 people watching, but only 92 likes. I is the no happy. Come on, hit the like button right now, and then we will move on with the Menti, where it's going to be a chapter Menti. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. 1 or 2 likes, that's amazing. Dislike क्यों करते हो? Like, why so much hatred, guys? Why? Who taught you so much hatred? Hi Anushree Kulkarni, today's studio, yes. I'm already in Olympiad batch and loving it so far. That is amazing, Anshika. Guys, you come to any of Vedantu's platform ke sessions, you will love it. You will love it. B.O.B. Battle of the Brains. And I am Adarsh from class 7, but I know this chapter of class 8. That's amazing. So are you all ready? How many do we have? We have 92 only. I'll count till 5 and start with the battle of the brains. Thank you, Anushri. You are cuter. Is Surabhi ma'am there? No, I guess she left. Hai na? Hi, Abhinav, Ram, Rajesh. Chalo. Let's start with Menti. And are you all ready? Chalo, let us look at Surabhi ma'am left. Vedantu, किसने बोला? Who told you this? Huh? Nonsense. She is very much there, बच्चा. Network खराब है. No worries, Vaibhav. All it lost connection. Even मेरा network खराब लग रहा है. What is happening? हाँ, now it's back. Quiz not opening. Try now. Try now. I guess Menti was not working. Try it right now. Go to www.menti.com and use the code 777-67289. Connection lost, but now we are back. We are back. Come on, guys. I can see all the emojis here. I click on them and they give all haywire. So cute. Chalo, now it's working. Hurry up, hurry up. Let's do Menti. Let's do Menti. Are you all ready? I'll start in 5, 4. Lot of network issues in India. I know the Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook was low. I was blaming my internet, but then yeah, it was that. It was, it was the Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp itself. So I'm doing great, Abhinav. How are you? Hi, Patil Rishi. Instagram ID, you can follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu. We are this close to reaching 2K, 2000 on Instagram. So yes, do not forget to follow me there. Chalo, let's start with Menti, and here we go with the question number 1 on your screens. A globe is a dash dimensional scale model of Earth. A globe is 3D, 2D, 1D, or none of the above. What is it? At what time did the class start? It started at 2 o'clock, Suhani. And a majority of you have got it right. That is amazing. It's a 3-dimensional version. A sphere is a 3D version. Let's look at the leaderboard here. The code is Vaishnavi. The code is 777-67289. Looks like the Menti is going all crazy. क्या हो रहा है? Menti को आज कुछ हुआ है, guys. What do we do? What do we do? Yes, some issues is happening. Even it's not loading here. तो क्या करें हम? हाँ, Menti is not working. There is some issue. Crazy Menti. I know. Menti became Senti. आप वो क्लिक करते हो शर्मा जाता है, ऐसे ही लग रहा है. तो गाइस, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Let us see what can we do here. ठीक है, तो क्या करें, एक बार रिफ्रेश करके देख लेते हैं. It ain't happening. आज I guess मेंटी हो नहीं सकता. Let's go to the second question and see if it's working. It's still loading. Second question आ गया. चलो at least question तो आ गया. लीडर बोर्ड का हम देखते हैं after this one, right? Which among the following is not a view of 3D shapes? 3D shapes के 3 views है. I already told you. So out of these, which of them is not? And Mentu has become Senti. Bewafa Menti. Correct. So majority of you got it right. We do have a side, front and a top view. We do not have a corner view when it comes to a 3-dimensional shape. So Menti doesn't want to show the leaderboard. Menti के पूरे आज mood swings हो रहा है. What is happening? What is happening? Guys, results are not loading. सब कुछ load हो रहा है पर result load नहीं हो रहा है. Menti doesn't want to show the leaderboard. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. चलो, let's move on to the next question. Identify the 3D objects from the given options. एक तो हो गया window, mountain and clock. One of them is a 3-dimensional object. What is that? What is that? आज मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन मिसक्लिक हुआ तो मेंटी काम नहीं कर रहा. वाओ, वेरी अमेजिंग. Guys, don't worry. Let's keep our fingers crossed. मेंटी का लीडर बोर्ड आ जाएगा hopefully. So don't worry. Come on, identify the 3D shapes here. And हो क्यों नहीं रहा है? Oh, finally we have got the leaderboard. Let us see who is on top. We have Brinda on top. We have Surabhi. Is Surabhi ma'am here? We have Brinda, Hola, CSK fan, Riya, Shri Hasini, Tom, Gauri, and then we have Jyoti and Hansika. Great work, everybody. Great work. And let us move forward with our next question on your screens. But Menti has decided to not work today. Menti is on leave. फिर से leaderboard आ गया. What am I supposed to do with this, Menti? No, ma'am, Surabhi ma'am is not here क्योंकि I'm not able to tag her. Okay. Guys, it's just loading results forever. I don't know what is happening. ठीक है? बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है मुझे. 5th question. Let's see. रहने दो, आज मेंटी नहीं करके छोड़ेंगे. A dash polygon have at least one interior angle greater than 180 and has some of its sides bent inwards. What is that? Convex, concave or a regular polygon? Not a polygon, it's a polyhedron. Actually, polyhedron or polygon का definition same है. For concave and convex, little different because 2D, 3D. Exactly, it is a concave polygon or a concave polyhedron where we have at least one angle which is greater than 180 degrees. Menti is back. And hi Samhita, yes, I remember you. So we have Hola ma'am, hello. Then we have CSK fan Shri, Jyoti, Johit, Legend Viraj. Then we have Sridhar, Shreyas, love you too Sridhar, Shreyas. We have Padma, Bharati, Madhu, Vaibhav and Mahi. Great work everybody. Your next question is on your screens. Identify 3 regular polyhedrons. Are you able to click here? Are you able to click? Identify the 3 regular polyhedrons. A dot, 0, yes, a dot has no dimensions, guys. It's just a dot, no dimensions there. Okay? So, there's something wrong with Menti here. Something very wrong with Menti. Pata nahi kya ho raha hai. Let's see. So, we have Hola ma'am, CSK fan, Hasini, Johit, Viraj, Sridhar. Padma Bharati, Madhu, Vaibhav and Mahi. I guess it's the same leaderboard, no? आज कुछ गड़बड़ है. And I'm gonna give up. I am gonna give up now. मैं जा रही हूँ यहाँ से. Menti is not listening to me today. I don't know what to do with Menti. बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है. Disappointed. So disappointed. क्या करूँ मैं? Menti. Question 8 पे चला गया. मतलब 5th से लेके 8 तक. मैं क्या करूँ अभी? Let's do question number 8, guys. Find the number of vertices a square pyramid has. How many vertices does a square pyramid has? A square pyramid is a pyramid where the base is in the form of a square. तो कितने vertices है? 3, 7, 5 या 4? 3, 7, 5 या 4? ये क्या हो रहा है? Today Menti is going crazy, so let's not panic. ये हर बार नहीं होगा. Hopefully कल नहीं होगा. And then we have what? ये 1 and 2. ये क्या है? What is this? We have 3 people in Menti. अलग level. मतलब पता नहीं. मतलब क्या हो रहा है Menti में? Anyways, let's do one thing. Let's just look at the leaderboard. Oh, last question आ गया. Let's just see the leaderboard here. You're not able to mark? क्या करूँ अब? In a solid, if faces is equal to vertices and is equal to 5, then the number of edges would be what? And remember, it is a polyhedron. Love to see you back in studio, but studio निकला बेवफा. I don't know if it's studio बेवफा या Menti बेवफा. मतलब एक तो धोखा दे दिया मुझे आज. Guys, in the formula, E plus V minus F plus V minus E. मेरा दिमाग भी काम नहीं कर रहा अभी. Anyways, so here what do we have? F plus V minus E is equal to 2. So F and V is already equal to 5. You have to find the number of vertices, right? Number of edges, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus E is equal to 2. So your E is equal to 10 minus 2, which has to be 8. But आज कुछ गड़बड़ है Menti में, ठीक है? आज सच में कुछ गड़बड़ है. तो I am just let's just look at the leaderboard here. And I know the answer is 8, but yeah, let's just. So we have Hola ma'am who is leading the leaderboard, and I am really sorry from Menti's point of view. आज Menti ने बहुत ही धोखा दे दिया है मुझे. So okay, let's hope कल का Menti ऐसा ना हो, ठीक है? कल का Menti बेवफा ना निकले. So yes, let's move on with the next session, which is going to be tomorrow. Do not forget to subscribe to any courses that you want on Vedantu, JEE, NEET, Olympiads. Then we have CBSE. Then we have a lot of things. ICSE, Maharashtra State Board. My micro courses for ICSE are also starting this particular month. It has already started again. So all you can do is click on the link in the description box below and use the coupon code YHPRO. You can also follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu. So see you very soon. Thank you so much. You people were very cooperative today, but not Menti. We are going to meet each other in the next class tomorrow, 9 p.m. with a brand new chapter. Until then, this is your master teacher Haripriya mam signing off. Bye-bye.